As you can see, today I am in a different setup. First of all, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Urvi, and today I am here with my cousins and my bhabhi. So in today's video, these people are going to do my makeup. So let me introduce them to you guys first. So this one here is Meloni. This one here is Hitarthi. This one here is Rutu, and this one here is Nikita.
So we are here today because we want to put makeup on her face.
Yeah.
She is a makeup guru, but we are not. And we thought it would be a lot more fun if we did it.
So I think you guys can see this is the finished look, and they have done a good job. But please stay tuned for some of the bloopers, some of the behind the scenes, and this beauty of a makeup that these guys have done. So if you guys are interested to watch how these mad people have painted my face, then please continue watching. So first we have Rutu here. She'll be doing my base makeup, and I know for a fact that she's a pro. So let's begin. So these are my products, and
So I'll be doing the foundation and the base coat, which is the most important thing, and my sister
This is
is
a primer.
trusting me with that, and this is a primer and not a foundation. Sorry for the misinformation. Take a generous amount of the hydrating face primer ELF. Now, do I use the knife? I will be using my hand to massage it on her face.
ooh, that feels nice.
We'll wait till all the goodies soak in. Now I'll apply the full coverage 2-in-1 Kiko Milano concealer
Plus foundation.
plus foundation. Just checking your knowledge
Oh.
on this one. So I think
This is a foundation plus concealer. Okay, so this is not just a concealer. So अगर जरूर ना हो तो we can skip concealer also. You see what you are doing.
Yes, I think, see, it looks.
It has given me quite a lot of coverage, and the blending looks really good. Right now I look like a ghost, but it will all get better when I contour my face and apply some blush. So,
Yeah.
is there anything else you want to do with the foundation?
No, I would.
Okay.
That's it. And now I would apply concealer on the spots. I cannot see any other spots anywhere else, so that's it. The face seems to be pretty clear. These are the only places I've applied, and now I will. That's it.
So that's my concealer all blended, and I think all my spots have been concealed well. I don't think I can see any spots as such. Well done. So my foundation, primer and concealer is all done. Thank you Rutu for being with me in this video, in this part of the video. And now next Meloni will be joining us. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So now I have Meloni with me, and she'll be doing the powdering of my face and all other powder products like contour, bronze, blush and highlighter. So all the best. Yeah, you should wish me luck because it's your face. Anyway, what is this?
Oh, I'm not good with this. You have to
MAC
try.
Studio Fix.
And I'm just powdering everywhere she has applied the concealer and the foundation. Wherever I see it's little greasy, I'm just mattifying it with this. अरे मैं फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करूँ पर फिर क्या super slow. Done for some time, I think.
मेरा फेस जल्दी ऑयली नहीं होता.
Okay, we're done with powder. What is this?
This is the
This
blush.
is the blush. No, I want to contour first.
Okay.
This is the
choice.
bronzer. Oh wow, what is it?
The Bahama Mama from the Balm.
Here. See, see, I'm telling you, I'm not good at this. That's why she has the channel. I don't see any difference.
Because I have double triple chin. Hello.
But I think there is no light, and I've applied a lot on one side. And now I'll have to match it on the other side. We manage. I have put it on a cheek. But it's okay. We will manage.
Okay.
Have faith in me.
Yes, I have full faith in you guys. That's why I'm doing this. God knows why.
I'm giving you ekdam Instagram model. Chiseled ekdam. To the gods. Chiseled to the gods. It's looking nice, okay?
Okay.
Good. But
मैं कहाँ कुछ बोल रही हूँ.
it is looking nice. I'm
Now show
telling
them
you.
this side also. Come on.
Yeah, so make that. She's judging me. She's like, क्या कर रही है? What is this? Oh, this is all wrong. You don't deserve this makeup in your hand. She's going to be like, you are wasting my product. Done. Perfect.
So you want to control my nose or that's
Oh
it?
yeah, I have to contour your nose also. I will do that. Do you like a strong contour or should I some mild?
No,
पता
I
नहीं.
don't like a strong contour on my nose at least. I just recently started contouring my nose. I
But
didn't
you have a
used
nice
to.
nose.
Yeah, I didn't used to do that. But it just gives overall effect. That's why.
I don't know if it depends on this. But I feel like if I highlight then it will be okay. Okay, I can touch her like this with my finger, don't judge. If you are a makeup artist, don't do this to your clients, okay? Have a real nice job actually.
Yeah. Look at my nose oil.
I like kind of contoured your temple over here and I didn't over there, so I just had to even it out. Hey, this is really nice. It's blending also
It's
well.
very soft, yeah, buttery.
Which is the blush. Now we're doing the blush. The Cabana Boy Shadow Blush. I don't even know.
Fancy, so fancy.
It is very fancy. It's written in French. I don't even know how to read any of it. Fancy! Sorry, we have our cousins sitting there and they are making noises. And really weird noises. butterfly filter wala, I think, because I like it. It might be a little much, but I think it
No,
looks
it
good
looks
on
good
your
on
face.
camera also. It looks good in pictures.
And plus on your face also, I feel like your skin color is perfect for this blush. Matlab it is looking nice. ठीक है, हाँ. Is it looking good?
Yes. Looking very nice.
Yeah?
Hmm.
थोड़ा बचा हुआ है put on. See, I'm not wasting product.
She's a pro, man.
So I'm using this Savannah color shimmer base, and I'm using the second one in it, which is slightly pinkish over here, but on her face it looks slightly copper goldish. You like highlighting?
I love highlighting. It's my favorite thing.
I watched your video. I remember you told in one of the videos that it's your favorite thing.
Yes, it is.
Okay. See, I'm a fan, okay? She's my sister. I'm a genuine fan. I'm ready.
So let me just turn around and show you. Wow, my base has turned out better than I expected. Even Rutu has done a nice job and Meloni has done like a fab job.
Okay, bye.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
going.
Bye.
So now we have Hitarthi.
Yes,
And
Hitarthi.
don't confuse her. She's no social media influencer. She just looks like one.
Oh. Too
Yeah.
much of buttering, huh?
Yeah.
Anyways,
Because
I
she
do
has the
good
most
food.
important steps.
Yeah.
So she'll be doing my eyes today. She's really good at doing eyes. So
Let's start. Okay. So Lazy and Crazy have done a really good job, I see on your face. Okay, I'm using this Revolution Pro. Okay, I'm not very good at this, so she's gonna tell me what to say in the video. Okay.
they have seen this palette, so they know which palette.
Yeah,
it
right.
is.
Even I have. So I'm doing the base. She has really beautiful eyes.
Really?
Yeah,
Nice
yeah.
topic.
Yeah. We actually, it's a family trend.
Yes.
So now I'm going to use shades of pinks and purples, every girl's favorite. So I'm using Fearless. That's the name of the shade actually.
This one.
It's the name of the shade, and we are though Fearless.
Yes. Oh, you can do one eye and then go to the other. Okay.
एक लाइट एक डार्क हो जाएगा. Oh my god, this is looking like a unicorn, cool unicorn look.
I've never actually done a pink
Yes,
purple.
she's never used this shade actually, so I'm trying it on her today. Wait. Harak Sadhu. I'm just blending it a little so that it doesn't look very loud. No, wait. I'm just blending the edges. We used to do a lot of this when we were kids, but we never thought we were going to do this like this. But yeah, but it's really fun shooting this video. Have a look.
Wow. I like the combination.
Yeah, so you can name this as a unicorn look. We've invented this, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So the base, I'm just going to put a tinge of this color, which is indication. This one.
Yes.
Very nice color.
So bottom lash line. Okay.
highlighting the inner of her eyes,
not the whole.
and we'll put kajal and eyeliner.
So Kajal, she's going to put it on her own. I'll just put the eyeliner.
Yeah.
We are fans of winged eyeliner, so do that. So we're done. Okay, so just to enhance her eyes more, which are very beautiful, I'm just gonna use this Sivana Colors Simmer Brick
And highlight the inner corners. If you want for a party look, you can highlight this simmery thing on the eyes as well. But we are not going to any party.
we are going nowhere.
We're just doing this for the video, so I won't do it because
She will have a tough time removing all the makeup, and plus we'll waste the products. Yeah. So that's how that's looking. We look like twinning the eyes, the eyeliner. Okay. So I think she's done a fab job. I love this wing liner. I can't do it so well, and I never do it so well, but I love it.
A special mention, Twinkle. We are
We
missing you.
miss you.
We'll make you a part of a video
Next video.
next time
And-
because you are late.
Yeah, and I'm going to link her channel. She is also a YouTuber, and I'm going to link Twinkle's channel down below. And it's a promise that she'll be with us in the next video.
Yeah, so guys, like, share, subscribe.
Please. Thank you so much. So now I have Nikita with me. She's not my cousin. She's like my cousin, but she's my cousin Bhabi. So she's here, and that's her daughter.
Yeah, 6 months.
So she's here to apply the final touches like my lipstick and setting spray. So what are you using?
I'm using BH
BH
Cosmetics, and the shade is Rosy Rye. So there were a lot of shades, but I thought this would look the best because this is something which is matching, and it would give a subtle look and a finished look. Because I think as far as I can see, your look is really nice, and I would like to keep the lips a little minimalistic, which would go overall with her look. So here I'm applying would be the Rosy Rye shade, which will go with the overall look.
Wow,
What
I
is
love this shade. This is one of my favorite shades for
Yeah,
everyday
it's
use.
really looking
And because I have like pink and bluish eyes going, so this was a good choice to go
Exactly,
with a
yeah.
muted color.
yeah, and I'm of the sober kinds generally,
Yeah.
so I think this
So
is
today we've
Yeah.
asked her to apply this color Jabardasti, but
Yeah.
it's looking fab.
Yeah,
Do
I agree.
comment and
This
let
is-
me know if
this
she
is all
looks
would be
good or not.
suggestion which I'm learning from. Okay, to finish the look, I would just like to spray. This is from ELF.
Yeah.
Just let's set the overall look. And you want
Yes. So let me just air dry it, and there
I
you
think
can
it looks
see-
fab.
Yeah, it
The
does.
overall look,
The lipstick has just completed the look very
Yeah.
very well.
absolutely.
So thank you so much for featuring in my video.
Of course. Anytime.
So this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this fun little video that we have created. We sure did have a lot of fun, isn't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching and watching this video till the end. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet,
Like,
share, subscribe.
please do that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.
तू टमाटर कापी है मी
फर्स्ट नीचे नहीं थी तो खबर नहीं फर्स्ट ऊपर
ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
So if you guys are interested to see how these mad people have painted my face